Welcome back to the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. I'm Emma, and today's episode is a deep dive into something crucial for many people, Hashimoto's thyroiditis. We're exploring revolutionary approaches to managing this autoimmune disorder, focusing on diet and herbal medicine. Whether you're dealing with Hashimoto's yourself or just curious about how to manage autoimmune conditions naturally, today's episode has some amazing insights.
That's right, Emma. Hashimoto's thyroiditis is an autoimmune disorder that targets the thyroid gland, leading to hypothyroidism, which can cause symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, depression, and cognitive difficulties. What's really interesting is that Hashimoto's is the most common form of chronic thyroiditis, particularly affecting women during their reproductive years. And managing it is about more than just popping a pill.
Exactly, Alex. Conventional treatments like levothyroxine, LT4, and selenium supplementation have been used for years. But, as many patients know, they don't always fully resolve symptoms or bring down thyroid autoantibody levels. That's why there's growing interest in alternative approaches, especially diet and herbal medicine.
One area that's really gaining attention is the gluten-free diet. Research suggests that adopting a gluten-free diet may help reduce autoimmune responses and support thyroid function in some patients. It's not a blanket recommendation for everyone, but people with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease may benefit from giving it a try.
Right, and even for those without celiac disease, gluten could still be contributing to inflammation, which we know is a big trigger for autoimmune conditions. But like with any dietary change, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before making big shifts. The evidence for a gluten-free diet in Hashimoto's isn't conclusive yet, but some patients report significant improvements.
Another interesting aspect is how hormones influence Hashimoto's. Studies have shown that higher levels of estrogen, especially during puberty, might contribute to autoimmune conditions like Hashimoto's. It's been found that women with higher estrogen exposure, marked by the 2D/4D digit ratio, may be at greater risk. This really underscores the complexity of how hormonal imbalances can drive autoimmunity.
Hormones definitely play a big role. Autoantibodies like thyroid peroxidase antibodies, TPOAB, and thyroglobulin antibodies, TGAB, are elevated in Hashimoto's, and their levels can indicate the severity of the disease. In fact, a study showed that higher levels of TPOB were linked to more pronounced symptoms. Monitoring these autoantibodies can help tailor treatment approaches, which is why early diagnosis is so important.
And speaking of treatment, that brings us to herbal medicine, which is a real game changer for many. Traditional Chinese medicine has been used for centuries to manage thyroid disorders. Recent studies show that herbs like xiaoyao powder and Buplurum inula flower soup can reduce thyroid autoantibody levels and improve overall thyroid function. This could be a great complementary option for those on conventional treatments.
Absolutely, Alex. A systematic review showed that combining Chinese herbal medicine with standard treatments like levothyroxine can significantly reduce TPOAB levels. This highlights how herbal interventions, when used properly, can help improve outcomes and reduce some of the side effects of conventional medications.
That's right, Emma. Integrating herbal medicine with traditional therapies could offer a more holistic approach to managing Hashimoto's. Levothyroxine is crucial for managing hypothyroidism, but it doesn't address the autoimmune process. This is where herbs can come in and target those underlying immune responses.
And one of the stars in the herbal world for Hashimoto's is ashwagandha. It's an adaptogen that helps the body cope with stress, a major trigger for autoimmune activity. Ashwagandha also supports thyroid hormone production, which is key for people with hypothyroidism.
Yes, and then there's turmeric, which is packed with curcumin. This compound is a powerful anti-inflammatory and can help reduce autoimmune activity. Since chronic inflammation is a big part of Hashimoto's, turmeric is a fantastic addition to any natural regimen.
Another important herb is reishi mushroom. Reishi is known for its immune-modulating effects, helping balance immune responses. That's crucial in autoimmune conditions like Hashimoto's, where the immune system is overactive.
Let's not forget about selenium-rich herbs like Brazil nuts or sunflower seeds. Selenium plays a vital role in reducing thyroid autoantibodies and supporting overall thyroid health. It's a mineral that's often low in people with Hashimoto's, so getting it through food or supplements is essential.
But there's more. Google, used in Ayurvedic medicine for thyroid disorders, may also help improve thyroid function and reduce inflammation. Bladderwrack, a natural source of iodine, is another herb that supports thyroid hormone production, though you should be careful with iodine in Hashimoto's because too much can exacerbate the condition.
That's true, Emma. Personalization is key here. Holy basil is another adaptogen that helps manage stress, which can be a major factor in Hashimoto's flares. A well-rounded approach, combining these herbs with lifestyle changes, can make a huge difference in managing the condition.
Exactly, Alex. Lifestyle factors like managing stress are just as important as diet and herbs. When we integrate anti-inflammatory diets and stress management techniques, the results can be transformative. Foods high in omega-3s, like salmon, and antioxidants from leafy greens and berries can really help reduce inflammation.
And what's great about herbal medicine is that it works on multiple levels. Not only are you supporting the thyroid, but you're also helping to calm the immune system and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Combining herbal medicine with conventional treatments offers a comprehensive way to tackle Hashimoto's.
That's the beauty of integrative medicine. It's about supporting the body as a whole. And as more research comes out, we're finding that combining these approaches through herbal medicine, diet, and lifestyle changes can really lead to better outcomes for patients.
Right, and it's not just about managing symptoms, it's about addressing the root causes of the condition. If you want to dive deeper into these revolutionary approaches to Hashimoto's, including detailed herbal remedies and dietary tips, check out the full article on our website.
Thanks for joining us today on the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. We hope you found this episode informative and inspiring. Remember, managing autoimmune conditions like Hashimoto's takes a comprehensive approach, and incorporating herbs, diet, and lifestyle changes can make a world of difference.
Take care, everyone. And don't forget to check the article for even more insights into the natural treatment of Hashimoto's.